How can females have two X chromosomes while males only have one? As much as I'd like to claim that extra X chromosome is the reason why females are twice as extraordinary as males, that's just not the case. The Lyon hypothesis explains that although women have two X chromosomes in the nucleus of each cell, one of them, either from their mother or father, is inactivated. Due to X inactivation, at a cellular level, females are functionally hemizygous for X-linked genes, just like males. Each mammalian female cell randomly selects an X chromosome to keep, so only one of them is expressed. The inactivated chromosome turns into what looks like a dark stain at the edge of the nucleus, known as a bar body. The bar body looks as if it's being pushed out of the nucleus because it only needs one. Females with heterozygous X-linked traits will have cells that express both dominant and recessive alleles for an X-linked trait. For example, if Garfield expressed a yellow coat and Salem was homozygous with a dominant allele for a black coat, they could have a heterozygous kitten who would have a tortoiseshell phenotype. Heterozygous females are like mosaics for X-linked traits, so here's an illustration of that concept. There is a 50% chance that the cells in this kitten will be orange and a 50% chance they will be black. So half of the female cells will express the X-linked traits passed from their mother, while the father trait is a bar body, and vice versa. The reason the fur is a patchy pattern rather than a solid blend of the two is that once a somatic cell establishes a bar body and chooses a chromosome to express, it will undergo mitosis and the cells will continue to duplicate, so eventually all the cells derived from the original one will all be in the same location and express the same trait for the same X chromosome. If these two cats are crossed, the progeny would be expected to look like this. Here are Punnett squares of each trait. In terms of X-linked inheritance, males do not have the opportunity to inherit an X chromosome from their father, but the females do. So half of the offspring will be female and tortoiseshell, and the other half will be yellow males. Because hair length is not sex-linked, half of the female tortoiseshell cats will have long hair and the other half will have short. And for the half that are yellow, half of those will have long hair and the other half will have short hair. Tortoiseshell females will not have the same pattern because each cell randomly selects which X trait to express.